Today we're going to perform a cut test on the cold steel FM-1. Some people have questioned the S35VN blade that is used on cold steel knives. We have a pretty good sized box, and we're just going to start by disassembling it some. After we disassemble the box, we'll start shredding it. All right, let's start cutting this up into smaller pieces. I'm going to speed this up because you probably don't want to see all this cutting. Okay, that's 5. I'm going to go up to 50, and then we're going to do an edge test on the piece of paper. That's 30. Now that we've cut the 50 pieces of cardboard, we need to clean this blade off, and then we'll do a paper test. Use some rubbing alcohol. It's got all kinds of sticky residue all over it, and there's no way it's going to make a good clean slice through paper with all that residue. Now that we've cleaned the knife off, let's do a quick cut test. Still slices paper pretty good. So, taking the box apart plus doing 50 additional cuts did not phase this S35VN. Let's continue the cut test. That's 25. And that's 50. Again, we'll clean the blade off. Let's see where we're at after another 50 cuts. So that's 100 cuts so far. Still slicing good. Let's go for another 50. There's another 50 cuts. That wears on you after a while. Let's do another edge test. That's after 150 cuts. I think we'll go for one more round and make it an even 200 cuts. Now that we've made 200 cuts, now for reference, each cut is about 1 foot in length. So that's 200 feet of cardboard. Now let's do a final test on the piece of paper. Almost looked like a slight hang up there, didn't it? No, there's no hang up. Now that's a different part of the blade. What's happening is this knife, it doesn't have any hang-ups, but it is definitely not as sharp as it was when we started this test. And it is not as cleanly cutting through a piece of paper. It's still just sharp enough to cut. But if you don't keep the blade moving quickly, it'll get stuck. So we definitely have lost sharpness, and it's time to resharpen this edge. I'm not quite happy with the way this profile of this edge is, so I am going to not only sharpen this knife, I'm going to reprofile the edge a little bit, and we'll continue testing this knife and cold steel's S35VN more in the coming days.